At the start of the school year, there are always contentions and reports of students being sent home or locked outside school premises because of hairstyles or dress code violations. But quite shockingly, the last thing that I think anyone expected was the adding of fuel to the fire by Minister of Education, who comments that a particular dress requirement will discourage sexual predators. It is disheartening to see that in 2022, there are those in our national leadership who still espouse the ridiculously antiquated view that a woman's clothing has anything to do with her likelihood of getting harassed or assaulted. Furthermore, the views expressed on this matter is a representation of the continued laid-back and half-baked approach that is taken to issues in the education sector, year after year after year. I'm calling on the minister to clarify what the position is and what the actual guidelines are with respect to grooming, so as to have no more students being locked out and resulting in learning loss. The challenges in our education system need to be remedied now. Time come for the Ministry of Education to be pragmatic and decisive. The uniform battle needs to end. And more emphasis needs to be placed instead on creating a fit-for-purpose education system that strives to prepare our students to thrive. Our focus needs to be on stemming the tide of violence in our schools. We need to focus our effort on ensuring proper nutrition for students in schools. We need to focus our efforts on equipping schools with the resources to provide quality education. But we need to focus on ensuring that our education system caters to all students. Students with disabilities cannot be left out of the equation.